am in Sweden. I am originally from Panama, but I live in Sweden. And I am a coach, so I work with individuals and organizations. I work a lot with values and mindset, leadership. So this is me here in Sweden. So I was so happy because after over 100 applications, I think that I got 5 or 6 no before I got the yes from UK. So I was so excited and also very nervous because at that time I was like, I don't know really what I'm going to talk about. And I attended the workshops for the ideas and for the crafting the talk, and it was more and more clear when I was participating in that. And also I was participating in some 1 minute talk just to listen to what others, how they put that. So the process had been like very exciting, very nervous. And because English is not my first language and not my second language, so it was also very, very nervous for me thinking about doing that in English. So, but it was an amazing experience. They were very professional, and in UK, I needed to be there 1 week. The week we had the talk Thursday, but we needed to be there on Monday to do a rehearsal. And then we did more rehearsals the same day. And also we did rehearsal with the clothes that we needed to use, because they recorded that without participants there. And then they recorded again. So it was very good, and they were so amazing. When I was writing my talk, I listened to the lessons many times to try to understand really how I was putting my talk, and also to go to the workshop was very good. I like it to go to one of the coaches to the talk, practice talk, just to find that, because I easily will be distracted when I meet many coaches, and I wanted to do so. The talk for one coach for me is working better. I very soon had in my mind that it will be like difficult for me to have the same, so I wanted to go to one coach when that person had the practice. So I think that to go to the practice, and even if you don't talk, so it's good to, even if you don't book the practice, to go to listen to other people, what they say, how they say. So, yeah, but maybe I can do like this or so. I think that you need to be clear for why you do this, because it's easy if you don't really want this, that you give up after 10 or 15 applications. So it's like, know why you are doing that, and how you are going to impact people with your idea. And also what it helped me also is that I was so like, I don't know if my idea is so good. So I sent to the organizer, and she say, oh, this is perfect. So and still when she said that, I was like, no, it's not so good. But to believe in your idea, in yourself, and that you can do that. If that is doing this in my third language, I could do that, everybody can do that.